everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I am re-recording the intro to my junk mail envelope junk journal that I'm doing for the Raven Vintage Design team. I recorded it and the sound, I was trying to use a microphone and the sound it was very muffled. So couldn't do that. Actually, the microphone in my iPhone is much better actually. So anyway, side note. All right, I'm going to show you the page coverings that I did from the pages in the kit. And then I'm going to do some clusters in another video so that we can embellish the pages. So we'll be embellishing in another video. So this video is going to be a little bit short. I am still going to use the video that I recorded, but I'm going to take the sound out and just play a little music behind it so you can see and kind of maybe speed it up for you so you can just kind of have an idea of how I covered the pages. I have 4 more to cover, but I wanted to get this video out this evening, so running a little late. Anyway, if you are interested in Raven Vintage's Etsy shop, she has some beautiful kits in there, and I encourage you to please go and check it out. You can use my code Cindy20 and check out the other design team members, Teresa and Ricky as well, and check out their either YouTube or Instagram accounts. I'll put their pictures up for you, and have a great night. Thanks so much for understanding.